Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vincent Price.
I love mushrooms. They are so delicate, so light, so close to being nothing, but so emphatically something. They are subtle and tend to be wasted on coarse palates. So, as an ultimate compliment to our guests, we presume they are sophisticated enough to appreciate our pickled mushrooms. First, we must choose the mushrooms. Now, fresh mushrooms are imperative. And I hear you ask, Mr. Price, how do I know if my mushrooms are fresh or old? Well, it's extremely simple. The underside of the cap of the mushroom should be smooth and not opened into gills. Now, I can't imagine standing at the sink with a tiny brush in hand scrubbing each little mushroom. So put the mushrooms in a good-sized plastic bag. Yes, plastic bag. Add about 2 cups of water, twist the bag shut, and shake it violently till the water is dirty brown. Now dump your mushrooms into a colander and rinse them, and, well, voila, you have clean mushrooms. I put my mushrooms in a large bowl and pour in a cup of white wine and a cup of wine vinegar. I cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least an hour or more, even overnight. And then you toss your mushrooms with 2 tablespoons full of chopped parsley, 2 teaspoons of chives or green onions, and 2 or 3 dashes of ground cloves and a minced clove of garlic. Then add a teaspoonful each of salt and granulated pepper and 2 or 3 generous dashes of Tabasco sauce, and toss again. Pack the mushrooms tightly into jars or a crock with a lid and drizzle them with a cup of olive oil or just enough to barely cover them. I serve them on a platter covered with greens. I surround the mushrooms with Viennese stuffed eggs for a lovely hors d'oeuvre course. The stuffed eggs are simplicity themselves to prepare. First, we hard-boil 6 eggs. Now, split the eggs lengthwise and remove the yolks. I then mash the yolks with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. When this is smooth, I mix in 4 tablespoons of finely chopped cooked ham, 1 tablespoon of minced gherkins, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I then mound the filling into the whites and garnish them with paprika and little diamonds of ham. These look beautiful surrounding the mushrooms. I like to serve a medium white wine with these. A Chenin Blanc is lovely, or a Fumé Blanc. This dish spells hospitality.